A. A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for airplane. B. B is for ball. B is for banana. B is for butterfly. C. C is for cat. C is for car. C is for cake. D. D is for dog. D is for duck. D is for drum. E. E is for elephant. E is for egg. E is for ear. F. F is for fish. F is for frog. F is for fire. G. G is for goat. G is for grapes. G is for guitar. H. H is for hat. H is for horse. H is for house. I is for ice cream. I is for igloo. I is for insect. J. J is for juice. J is for jellyfish. J is for jump. K. K is for kite. K is for kangaroo. K is for key. L. L is for lion. L is for leaf. L is for lamp.
M. M is for monkey. M is for moon. M is for milk. N. N is for nest. N is for nose. N is for net. O. O is for orange. O is for octopus. O is for owl.
P. P is for pencil. P is for parrot. P is for pizza. Q. Q is for queen. Q is for quail. Q is for quilt. R. R is for rabbit. R is for rainbow. R is for rocket. S. S is for sun. S is for snake. S is for star. T. T is for tiger. T is for table. T is for train. U. U is for umbrella. U is for unicorn. U is for under. V. V is for violin. V is for van. V is for vase. W. W is for watermelon. W is for whale. W is for window. X. X is for xylophone. X is for X-ray. X is for X marks the spot. I is for yogurt. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yellow.
Z. Z is for Zed, zebra. Z is for zip. Z is for zoo.
Great job, kids. We learned the alphabets from A to Z.
Hey there, friends, come along with me. It's time to learn and have fun. You'll see. We'll play, explore, and laugh out loud. Bright Explorers make us proud. Bright Explorers, let's go far, shining bright like a shooting star. Learning, growing every day. Come and join us. Here